For the media, let me tell you that the Riva group of companies, which Paul heads, is a forerunner in animation, and this is the first game that they'll be launching today. What was the trigger point for you to actually get into this joint venture?
Well, I've known Farhan and Ritesh for a while now, and we've actually been involved in a few other ventures. There's a few things you'll see announced next year, some projects that we're working together on. But we've got some synergies in what my group produces, the production facilities that we have, and the creative storytelling that they have. And we felt that this was a good platform where the two teams could basically merge together and create something completely new for this market.
Tell us, what exactly is XL Media looking at? We definitely know that it is a game today we are launching, but apart from that, what are the other things?
What we're looking at essentially is creating content for, games. Games is one part of it, but creating content for webisodes and for TV series, animated content, and it's going to be catering to both, to kids as well as some adult, like a matured audience, or something like The Simpsons or Family Guy. Or South Park, so trying to get animated content onto TV.
Are all these games and the webisodes which we are looking at, are these all only adult content, or is it going to be more child-friendly eventually?
Well, adult content sounds a little bit dangerous. So,
right.
I think more mature content, I think, is the right word.
Okay.
There is already existing a tremendous amount of animated work, for children. We get that on our channels every single day into our homes. But there is a void, and there is a space where we can now hopefully create, content within India itself, that's designed for a slightly more grown-up audience. More often than not, when we want to watch animated films or animated series, we tend to look outside this country for content, and onto channels. So hopefully we can start creating that stuff ourselves. So that's what we are hoping to do along with Riva, and reach out to this audience that's actually currently looking in another direction. Tell them, yahan bhi dekho thoda.
Okay. Now, XL Entertainment has a huge platform of entertainment that they have been doing over the years. Is it going to influence a lot of what comes out into XL Media?
It's going to be, I think, depending purely on the story, the film. If a film does lend itself into the gaming platform, we'll do that, and that would obviously go into XL Media. But I think the ideas are being just to create something original, something more universal, something more for not just within the Indian diaspora or the Indian market, even for an international market, a more global market.
Guys, put your hands together for this quirky foursome who made sure that this summer you just went mad. And you have to tell me this, that are you going to be playing this game on a horse, sitting on a horse, or are you going to play this game generally?
I'm such a big game freak. I can play the games anywhere, 24/7. I think मेरी रातों की नींद अब इसी गेम छोड़ने वाली है, because first of all I'll be waiting for it to come out on iOS, and then I'll be waiting for unlocking all the characters that are there in the game. So I think I'll kick ass on this one.
I just want to say it's superbly made by Paul sir, and जितनी अच्छी फुकरे मूवी बनी है और सबने पसंद किया है, I'm sure ये गेम भी बहुत अच्छी बनी है और सब पसंद करेंगे.